Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. T. Vijay Chitra, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Nalamuthukaundar Mahalingam College, Pollachi, Coimbatore District, Tamil Nadu. I just want to share my experience in undergoing the online courses which are being sponsored by MES Ponnani College for providing this wonderful opportunity. It is really a new experience, and I would have not taken any such courses from Coursera if this college is not providing this chance. It is really a great experience to share some of the views I have. At the beginning, it was a little tough to start my courses, but I have contacted the team, and with their guidance and the introduction and the registration process video shared in the WhatsApp group, it gave a clear idea to enroll to the courses and to proceed with it. Thank you to the college team for giving this opportunity. You have got different courses related to your core area as well as other related areas. I wish to share my idea that I used to choose the courses of my interest and enroll them simultaneously. If I feel learning the same course for a long time, I switch over from one course to the next course and proceed with the next course. This creates interest and it does not provide boring to continue the same course for a long time. You can watch the videos where you feel you have got some doubt over to attend the quizzes. More than videos, you will be assisted with PDF files of reading materials in many courses and also other forms of materials which can be used to learn and take the quizzes. Reading these materials would help you in easy way to take up the quizzes. Submission of assignments are the interesting part wherein you can generate your own ideas, and after submission, by reviewing your peer group assignments, you may get extra knowledge over it. Waiting for the review results is really an excitement, and once you complete the course, getting the completion certificate from all prestigious foreign universities is really a pride. At present, nearly I have earned 59 certificates, which includes two specialization certificates too. You have got many specialization courses of your area which are integrated with 4 to 5 courses in it. On completion of all integrated courses, you will be receiving a specialization certificate also along with the course completion certificate. So this is also very important, and you can proceed like taking many specialization courses, and you will be earning specialization certificates also along with your course certificates. I wish everyone to utilize this wonderful opportunity and learn and complete a lot of courses during this lockdown. I once again thank MES Ponnani College for providing this great opportunity, and my prayers for its success and to reach great heights in future too. My dear friends, take care, stay home and stay safe. Enjoy learning Coursera through MES Ponnani College. I thank the college and the team for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.